Comparing decimals. Example problems. 17 and 64 hundredths compared to 17 and 8 tenths. 8 and 945 thousandths compared to 8 and 97 hundredths. 1 and 7 tenths compared to 17 hundredths. Both of these numbers have 2 zeros and a 1, but their value is very different. Would you rather have $1 or 1 penny? That's right, you'd rather have $1. The position of the number is its place value, and it changes what the number is worth. Also, do not just look at the longest number. Would you rather have this or that? You'd rather have $1. $1 is bigger than 46 cents, even though 46 cents has more numbers. You have to look at the position of the number and what the number is worth. When comparing decimal numbers, always start with the biggest place value. This is going to be the place value all the way to the left. Place both numbers on the place value chart. Make sure to put the decimal in the correct space. We start with the biggest place value. In this number, it's the tens. The tens in these numbers are the same. We move to the ones. The ones in this number are the same. We move to the tenths. 8 tenths is bigger than 6 tenths, so 17 and 8 tenths is the bigger number. Problem 2. Write both numbers on the place value chart. 8 and 945 thousandths, 8 and 97 hundredths. Start with the biggest place value. In this problem, it's the ones. They are the same. Move on. Let's look at the tenths. They are the same. Move on. Let's look at the hundredths. They are different. 7 is bigger than 4, so 8 and 97 hundredths is bigger than 8 and 945 thousandths. Last example. 1 and 7 tenths compared to 17 hundredths. Put both numbers on the chart. Start with the ones, which is the biggest place value. They are different. 1 is bigger than 0. 1 and 7 tenths is the bigger number. Thanks for watching Comparing Decimals. We used a place value chart. Eventually, this should be too easy for you, and you can move on from that. If you still have a question, just let me know.